Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is how to check your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. So to check your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10, search Control Panel, the search bar. Then select Network and Internet. Then click on View Network Status and Task. Then select the network that you are connected to, in this case the Wi-Fi. Come on 15, click on it, then select the network wireless properties. Then click on security tab of the network. Then to view the network security key, click on show characters. So that's how you check Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. You can also use this method for Windows 8 and also for Windows 11. So you can then copy the network security key or password and paste it in a text editor to save it, or can even copy it and paste it to a note keeping application. So in my case, I'll copy it and paste it in Notepad. That's it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe.